Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to configure a Japanese Gmail account in roughly 5 minutes. This walkthrough is ideal for anyone wanting to dive into the Japanese language or simply add a unique linguistic touch to their email navigation. Let's get started as I guide you through each stage of the setup. Begin by opening your Gmail inbox. This is your central hub for all incoming messages. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log into your account now. Once you've accessed your inbox, focus on the upper right corner of the interface. Locate the gear icon, which represents your settings, and click on it. This small icon serves as the portal for personalizing your Gmail experience, and today, it's our tool for switching the interface to Japanese. After selecting the gear, a menu will drop down. You need to find and click the option labeled See All Settings. This will open a detailed menu where you can modify nearly every aspect of your Gmail account. Now for the main part. Under the General tab, look for the Language section. Click on the current language setting to open the full list of options. From this menu, choose Japanese. This change will fully transform your interface, providing an excellent way to practice the language during your daily routine. Once Japanese is selected, there is one vital step remaining. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and hit the Save Changes button. Clicking this confirms your choice and officially transitions your inbox into the Japanese version. And there you have it. Your Gmail account is now set to Japanese, including your inbox and all menu settings. It's a fantastic learning aid or just a way to globalize your digital space. If you ever need to switch back to English, simply repeat these steps. The layout remains identical regardless of the language. Navigating your mail this way is a fun, immersive method to pick up new vocabulary. Changing your settings is a simple step into a new culture that adds variety to your day. That covers everything for setting up your Japanese Gmail. It's a quick, reversible process that enriches your digital journey. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this helps your linguistic progress. Enjoy your new inbox.